Hello everyone. Hello guys. Today, with the help of CPR, Central Pivot Trends, I will tell you how to choose the stock for swing trading, and it can also be used for monthly trading. The CPR or this method will help in finding those stocks which will have a great volatility in coming months. Okay, so you'd have heard about CPR. CPR is a central pivot trend. I will not go into the theoretical part of it. I will just tell you the things which should be told to you. I'm not going to tell you about how it is calculated, but I will tell you. Central pivot point has three lines. The middle one is pivot line, and upper one is TC, and lower one is BC. See, you can hear TC, BC, and pivot line. The TC and PC and pivot together makes a range, but simple pivot point will have a single line and it will act as a support and resistance. But this range is more powerful. So, basically, in brief, I will tell you what we are going to learn, and I am going to tell you how we are going to backtest it. So first of all, we have to find a stock which has very narrow CPR in monthly time frame, not in daily time frame, not in weekly time frame. We have to find the CPR of monthly time frame. So narrow CPR means TC and BC should be small. Okay, the distance between TC and BC should be small. How we will find it? We will go to charting.com. There we will create our custom atlas in the atlas section, and I will tell you how to create it. You can ask for the link. I will give you the link also. See, in this one, I will tell you how to calculate narrow CPR. See, you can see the Chrome page. I'm hiding this here with the black color. There is some issue. See, monthly CPR is calculated using this formula. This is very complex one. I have made it by myself. I will give you the link for this. And the result for this month is May. Okay, is NTPC Manapuram Rec Ltd Apollo Tire. We will choose first four, first five with a seeing narrow CPR. How can we see whether this is narrow CPR or not? See, TC minus BC here it is 0.300, 0.483, 0.483, very small. So we will pick it out. And in the positive side also we have to pick some stock. You can see greater than, we will make it less than. No, here we will make it less than or greater than, then we will have some positives also. See, Tata Power, Nam India, Hind Petro. I'm copying these three. Okay. I will paste it here. I will show you in some time. And from the negative side, negative and positive is not a big thing. I will explain you why some CPR are negative and some CPR positive. Uh, Greater than, less than, equal to, I will run it. And it is, I will choose first three. First four, and I'll paste it here. Okay. Uh, Now you can see I pasted this in PowerPoint. These are the stock which has narrow CPR in month of May. So what we have done till now, we have to select a narrow CPR of monthly time frame. I have shown you the formula. I will give you the link for the formula also. And now let us go to the chart. I will not waste so much time. I will take NTPC, Tata Power, Nam India, REC Ltd. Okay. So coming to the NTPC first stock, I'm coming to the chart. Let me turn my page. See, this is the stock of NTPC, and the time frame uses. This is my intraday gap up, gap down. It is my personal indicator. It contains everything SMA, so many things it has. And it is nothing great. See here, NTPC 1 day time frame. This is the CPR line. You can see. This is my custom coded indicator. See here, the CPR range is in the month of April. It is around 1.15, but here you can see it is very small. CPR is very small. We were finding this kind of CPR. Okay, one is NTPC and another is Tata Power. This is Tata Power. It also has very small, smaller than NTPC. And which stock was there? Nam India, Hind Petro. Let us coming to the Nam India and Hind Petro. Nam India. It also has very small. Yeah, right. And I have put some alert also here, maybe due to some resistance. In Petro. See, it is smaller when we compare to the previous month. Okay. And REC LTT. See. Okay. REC LTD also has a narrow CPR compared to previous one, but it is more than Reliance. Sorry, not Reliance, more than NTPC. So let us go to a chart NTPC. Okay, and I will tell you how to trade this. We are going to on the bar candle. See here in the 1 day times. First of all, I will turn off the indicator. Okay. In this NTPC, you can see first of all we have to find whether stock is in uptrend or downtrend or consolidation. We have to leave the consolidation stock. We will find the uptrend and downtrend stock. See here, you can see it is making higher high, higher low, again higher high, higher low, or this one higher low. Again, it will make higher high. So the stock is in uptrend. Okay. What we have to do is now we have to find using 50 moving average whether the moving average is above the price or below the price. Okay, in a 1 hour time frame, it has crossed on 11th May. If you are swing trader of around 6 months, 10 months, or you can hold the stock for uh, 1 year, then you can enter here. Your entry point will be here. You can leave it till it break the 50 moving average to the downside. Okay. Even you, if you are a very short term trader, like 2 week, 3 week, then you can use 20 moving average. Okay. And this was the entry. Here you have to enter. You have to here you have to put the stop loss and you have to let it go. Generally, it will touch this line. Okay, and there you can exit. If there is a breakout, you can enter again. You have to combine the technical analysis along with the price action. And the best part is go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and in the 1 hour time frame, we have to see this stock from the 1st of May, because this stock was filtered for the month of May. The 3rd May was the first trading day. We have to put a vertical arrow here. This is our trading range. What we have to do is we have to wait for the price to cross it. See here in the month of April, it has crossed the 50 moving average. It has traded above, and there was a support. It was trying to take support. Now it has taken support. There was gap down again, broken it up. So this will be our entry point on 3rd May, and we have to write it. We have to write it till where we can write it. Okay. See, it has given around 13% just in uh, 9 days, 4 hours. Okay. And another thing, maybe you can find it or not, I can tell you. See, there is also a channel pattern in 1 hour time frame. It is a channel pattern. And one more confirmation for the entry was, see, there was a breakdown in a lower time frame. So you have to combine the price action along with moving average, along with technical analysis. So this was the first stock where we were finding the stock with a narrow CPR. Another step was, so I will tell you everything stepwise. Step 1, find the stock with a narrow CPR. Step 2, find the stock whether it is an uptrend or downtrend. If it is an uptrend, we have to look for the long opportunity, and if it is in downtrend, we have to look for the short opportunity. So go to the 1 hour time frame on your 50 moving average. If the stock has crossed 50 moving average, or it is taking support at 50 moving average, just enter in long position. If you are a short-term trader for a week, month, or 2 months, then go to the 1 hour time frame. Here you will have a small profit, but you will not have to wait for longer time. Here you can wait for the stock to take support at 50 moving average and to cross moving a 50 moving average, either of two, taking support at 50 moving average or crossing moving average. Okay, and this was the time. Another stock I am going to check, REC Ltd. First of all, I will turn off my indicator. Okay, see here, the stock was in uptrend. There was a downfall, and there some correction is going on. This was a support zone. Okay, now switch on the 50 moving average. The stock has crossed below the 50 moving average. It has taken support, and we have to wait until it crosses it above. Okay, on May 10 it has touched it. Okay, then on 11th May we will go to 1 hour time frame. This step is for the swing traders who hold it for 6 months, 1 year, or 2 year. Okay, we will go to 1 hour time frame, and here it has already crossed. Okay, then try to turn on 20 moving average. As per this was the entry till now. It has given 2%. It will go on. You don't have to worry. And if you are a short-term trader, then you have to look only for what you have to look only for 50 moving average in 1 hour time frame. If you will have any confusion, then you text me. I will explain it. See, trying to take support at this supply zone, and it has crossed it here. You have to switch on the volume also because there is confusion in this stock. We will need a higher volume. See this one, it is a here great volume. Uh, this can also be the entry with the stop loss of here. This can also be the entry with the stop loss of this place. Okay. If you had entered here, you would have made 14% till now in 28th. But we have to enter this stock after uh, April month. So the starting of April is this, and we got the chance here, right? So it was very far away. 5% SL is more. So we will wait for it to take the support at 50. Here it took making a hammer candle. You can see it is a hammer candle, but volume is less. Still, you can take a risk because it is changing its trend. See, and another stock I will see, which stock it was Tata Power. I'm not going to make this video very lengthy. Tata Power in 1 day time frame. First of all, it has taken the candle hammer pattern here. So this could be the entry. Around 8% given, and again taken support. This was the re-entry, but on the 3rd May we have to enter now. 30th of April. Be safe, guys. Use mask by profession. See, this is the very good entry. Turn out 20 moving average. What a nice candle. What a nice volume. 13 million volume and very nice candle. This is my favorite candle. If this type of candle is formed at moving average, either by after crossing or if it takes support, blindly you can enter here. See, first it gave around 12%. You would have exit with the 6% if you are a risker. Again, it is also entry, but the volume is less. But we can ride this stock after a year. We will not exit very soon. Swing traders don't exit it very soon. 10% is enough, I think, for swing. So let me conclude this. Uh, so what we have seen till now. First of all, what we have to do is number one, find narrow CPR, monthly based. Check the trend. And number 3, go to 1 hour prime frame, enter on crossing or taking support. Okay guys, thank you guys. This was the video. If you need any help, directly message me.